Eliezer Foundation, where our main purpose is to help the less fortunate, the elderly, the orphans, and the disabled. And today we had come here to gift the elderly, where we were giving them a bag consisting of unga, rice, sugar, soap, salt, and all that. A good shopping. And with that, we have managed to gift at least 100 families, and we thank God for that. My prayer or my request to the county government, kindly try to reach more needy families in our county, because there are so many families out here who needs help. And when these families or when the parents get old, the body gets weak every now and then, and they may not be able to go to the hospital or to pay to the facilities, but we would request the county government to at least help the families, these families or the elderly, to at least get NHIF cards, pay for them, so that when they go to the hospital, it will be easier for them to be treated with no difficulties.
And that's why we are deciding that we should even support more. And we want to thank the President and the government of Kenya, which has been doing that to the age. And we would request even the counties to do the same all over this country. And as we can see, even the environment is not favorable for us. Though we are praying that the God will give us rain, it's our prayer that we may have many Ruth like her and her foundation to support the many who are vulnerable, and we know that the Lord will bless them. That's why we came today. There are people in the villages here, place called Kinangop, where we are now, and they are still in the village. We request even the government to see what they can, because these people work for this nation, and it is also good that we help them to do what they can and even support them.
Nafurahi sana kwa sababu ya Ruth kutupatia unga tukule, kwa sababu kwa maana kuna jua mingi sana, chakula hakuna, inakuwa kidogo.